Welcome, everybody. Thank you all so much for joining me here today. My name is Pritesh with Kaizen Crypto. Today, Sundaeswap had come out and gave us more information about their ISO rewards, when they're going to be available, and how the distribution process is going to work. They stated in their Medium article that they're going to be using the Drip Drops platform, and the tokens will be available on March 1st. So this is really exciting. I've covered Drip Drops quite a bit. It's a token distribution platform on Cardano made by members in the Cardano community. So we are going to take a look at the platform briefly today, but I did do a in-depth how-to video as well as an interview with the team. If you want to check those out, I will be sure to leave those links for you all, but we will take a look at the process here very briefly. In the article, it just explains a bit more about Drip Drops, how to use the platform. I'm going to show you a little bit of that here today. They did mention a disclaimer as well, saying that if you don't want to pay the Drip Drops fee, they will be building out a service to claim your rewards in the coming months. So it looks like there is plenty of time to be able to claim your ISO rewards. They've got their own service that they're building out. But if you do want to go ahead and jump in on those rewards, there is a small cost to use the Drip Drops platform. So we're going to take a look at what that breakdown would look like. They're saying here that when you claim your ISO rewards, you'll be asked to send a payment of 3 ADA. Approximately 1.3 ADA will be returned to you to cover the minimum UTXO. And then the remaining 1.7 ADA will be used to pay the Cardano transaction fee, the Firehose processing fee, and the Drip Drop service fee. So a lot of the things that are involved in the back end of using this service. Now, I think that the fee is generally reasonable, considering that delegators who are claiming these tokens didn't have to pay anything for them. So I think just to be able to use the application of Drip Drops, it's great that we have that ability. But again, they are going to be building that solution. So if you don't want to pay that fee, that is an option as well. So great to see that from Sundaeswap. If we take a look at Drip Drops, this is the website. It's dripdrops.io. You can log in and register to create an account. I do have a referral link down in the description. If you do want to use that, you can get 100 free drip tokens when you claim for the first time. So you can check that out if you like to. We have the option to drip it, which is what we'll need to use in order to be able to claim our tokens when they do become available on March 1st. After you click that, you're going to have the option to enter in your wallet address or your ADA handle. ADA handle is another really cool project. Nice to see they've been integrated into Drip Drops, essentially human readable addresses held as NFTs within your wallet. But in my case, I'm just going to paste in my public address, check my drops, and it shows us our current delegation and the tokens which we have available to claim. In this case, it shows KAIZN tokens, but when you do enter in your address, if you are participating in the ISO, you'll see those Sundae tokens. And then we'll just go ahead and hit claim token. We'll have to agree to their terms and claim my drops. And then we'll be prompted to initiate the transaction. So in this case, it shows us we need to complete the withdrawal by sending 3 ADA to the above address. We would go through that process essentially using either a CC Vault, Yoroi, Daedalus, any of the supported Cardano wallets, and we would see the breakdown here. And then the tokens would be sent to your wallet after the transaction has been validated. So that's what we're looking at with Drip Drops. Nice to see that Sundaeswap is going to be using the Drip Drops platform to distribute their tokens. I briefly wanted to touch on what this means for Kaizen stakepool delegators. Kaizen stakepools did not participate in the Sundaeswap ISO, but it's great to see that Sundaeswap is going to be using the Drip Drops platform for their distribution. What I did was I used some of my stakepool operator rewards, my own personal capital, to purchase some Sundae tokens. And as a way to say thank you to all the delegators that remained with us throughout this ISO period, I want to give back by giving Sundae tokens to all of our delegators. So the Sundae tokens are going to be available on March 1st on the Drip Drops platform. We'll be able to give more information of when delegators can expect to receive these tokens. So you do have some time after the Sundaeswap ISO ends to jump on back into Kaizen stake pools. If you did leave to participate in the ISO, you guys know we love each and every one of our delegators. And as a way to say thank you, we'd like to give you some Sundae tokens as well. So that is what I have for you here in this video today, everybody. It's so nice to see the collaboration between Sundaeswap and Drip Drops. There's a lot of cool things happening with DeFi and DEXs now building on Cardano. It's an incredible time to be in the space. Well, thank you so much, everybody, for watching. I really do appreciate all of your support, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care, everyone.